This is a 12-volt RFID reader. The local electronics shop had it marked down as a legacy product. Let's start by checking its read range with an RFID tag. The instructions say that the red wire is positive and black wire negative. The RFID reader needs a 12-volt 3-amp minimum, so I've matched the power supply for this. Red and black wires to the 12-volt power supply and turn it on. Yep, RFID reader looks like it's working. Great! The read range is much stronger with the RFID reader at 12 volts and potentially powerful enough to be concealed beneath the model railway baseboard and still be strong enough to read through it. Next, we want to send details of any RFID tag that passes over the reader to the Raspberry Pi. For this, the only two wires we need to use are the green and white data wires, D0, D1. The other coloured wires on the RFID reader are for things like unlocking doors, alarms, which we don't need, so we can get rid of those. And while yes, it's technically possible to connect the RFID reader's green and white wires directly to the Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins, this would not be a straightforward process, as the Raspberry Pi does not have any inbuilt Wiegand decoder. Also, the data output of the RFID reader is 5 volts, which would likely damage the Raspberry Pi as its GPIO pins accept the 3.3 volt input. So instead, we can use a Wiegand controller, which can be bought online, which receives data from the RFID readers and pushes it to an IP address on a home network. This is the hardware setup to get RFID tag numbers sent to any IP address on your home network. A home PC with an internet connection, a home broadband modem with some Ethernet ports, a Wiegand access controller with an Ethernet port. For this test, I'm using a second-hand single-door controller, and lastly, a Wiegand 12-volt RFID reader. The green wire connects to the controller's D0 socket, white wire, D1. Great. Next, connect the RFID controller to a spare Ethernet port. The RFID reader sends data in Wiegand format, so we'll look at Wiegand format in our next module, where we get the Raspberry Pi to receive the RFID tag number sent to an IP address on the home network by the RFID controller.